We have to give more than we take. Surprisingly, many of you must be shocked to hear why to give back, whom to give back, what to give back. But the most important question is how to give back. Let's try. If you can think, the body is made of Panch Tattvas. Panch means five and Tattvas means elements. Panch Tattva connotes the five elements, that is ether, Akash, wind, Vayu, fire, Agni, water, Jal, and earth, Prithvi. These five elements form the warp and woof of the entire cosmos. They are the bedrock or underpinning of the mundane material world. When God has created you, He collected all five. Now it's your turn to return it back. Others might think ways to first reform the five tattvas and then we should return it. There is a good way of reciprocating the feelings, the teachings, the learnings. It should be returned back manifolded. It will give you immense pleasure when you will look around that the knowledge is passed on from one generation to another. What better if you are going to add your anecdotes, your experiences, and your feelings? It might be hypothetical for few, but can chalk out a way for others. It will be a great help. Each and every clue which you collected for your jigsaw puzzle with your own senses can give way to the sixth sense for many. जिंदगी यूं ही खामखा किसी को सुरूर नहीं देती. जिंदगी यूं ही खामखा किसी को सुरूर नहीं देती. कुछ पाने की इच्छा जुनून बनकर सोने नहीं देती. तू भी अपने लक्ष्य का मार्ग तलाश कर. खुद का रास्ता कभी बना तो कभी किसी का पथ प्रदर्शक बन. इस सरजमी पर अगर तू लिख पाया अपना नाम, यकीन कर सत कर्म की स्याही से लिखा ना मिटेगा, ना कोई मिटा पाएगा उसे आम इंसान. अमर कर जाए अमृत से पिए, लिख कर सुनहरे अक्षरों से जिसे. And this is to be decided by you. What are you going to follow? Is it growing of trees to return back to nature, or making it large as to find the dreadful location where no one could have reached yet? Whatever gives you satisfaction, the content mind, the composed heart, and the blissful life, making it beautiful as it was given to you. It can be sharing somebody's load from the heart to pacify him for the rest of journey left, or just lead a life without harming others. This will keep your heart, body, mind, and soul pure. It's a difficult work. When the tattvas are out of balance, you will be off balance. When fire is out of balance, you want to fight. When ether is out of balance, you want to scratch. When water is out of balance, you are moody. When earth is out of balance, you live in denial. When the five tattvas are in balance, you are virtuous, smiling, powerful, and attractive. So focus on balancing these tattvas. तूने भी इकट्ठे कर लिए आईने हजार, करके देखा अपने अक्स का दीदार. बार बार पर मिला नहीं करार. क्या है तुझे अंतर मन का आभास? कोई नहीं है अपना आज तेरे पास. मिला आज मौका बनने का खास. चल आज तू खुद से नजरे मिला. यही है तेरी आखिरी आस. ढूंढ ले आज तू अपनी असली मिठास. घोल दे जो सबके दिलों में गहरी चाशनी. बिखेर दे सब तरफ भलाई की जो रोशनी.